Temperature offset calibration is a must after installing any new thermostat or temperature sensor to make sure your home stays comfy and your system runs smooth. So, first off, you gotta know what temperature offset actually means. It's like the difference between what your sensor thinks the temp is and what it really is. To get it right, start by comparing your new thermostat's reading with a reliable thermometer you trust, maybe one sitting right next to it. If you notice it's off by like 2 or 3 degrees, you'll want to adjust that offset in the settings so it matches up better. Most smart thermostats or digital sensors have an option somewhere in the menu where you can tweak this offset. Don't be scared to check the manual or look up how to do it for your specific model. It's usually pretty straightforward. Also, remember to test it at different times of day, because sometimes temps shift when the sun hits different parts of your home. Once you set the offset, keep an eye on it for a few days to make sure things stay consistent and comfy without wild swings in temperature. If things still feel off, double check your placement. Sometimes sensors near heat sources or drafts mess with the accuracy. One of the biggest mistakes with temperature offset calibration is ignoring it altogether and just assuming the new sensor is perfect right out of the box. That's a quick way to end up with a heater or air conditioner running way more than it should. Another common issue is not checking the offset at different times or conditions, which can cause weird temp swings because the sensor might not be accurate in every spot or situation. Finally, a lot of people forget to update their offset settings after moving their thermostat or sensor, which can throw off readings big time. Fix these by always calibrating after installation, testing multiple times, and adjusting settings whenever you change your setup. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home projects like this. Plus, it helps contractors get more work by connecting them with homeowners who need reliable pros nearby.